What's the meaning of according to? According to. According to. According to. According to. According to. According to is a phrase used to indicate that information or an opinion is coming from a particular source. It signals that what follows is being reported rather than stated as a fact by the speaker. This phrase is often used in news reports, academic writing, and legal documents to show that the information presented is based on research, statistics, or other sources. According to is a useful way to introduce information while also acknowledging its source. In short, according to provides credibility and attribution to information or opinions presented.